Welcome to the first installment of our long call strategy course, focusing on options from the buyer's perspective. At Options America, we believe in breaking down complex concepts into manageable parts, and will begin this journey by exploring the long call option in depth. Throughout this course, we'll delve into the fundamental principles of options trading, both within the context of a trading platform and in real-world scenarios. To illustrate these concepts, we'll draw parallels between options trading and everyday situations, such as real estate transactions. By grounding our explanations in relatable examples, we aim to ensure clarity and understanding for all learners. Our lessons are designed to be concise and targeted, with a focus on delivering key insights without unnecessary complexity. Each module will cover specific aspects of the long call strategy, providing learners with a comprehensive understanding of how to execute this type of trade effectively. As we embark on this learning journey together, we encourage active participation and engagement with the material. By applying the principles learned in this course, traders will gain the knowledge and confidence needed to navigate the options market successfully. Let's begin our exploration of the long call strategy and unlock the potential of options trading.